Alabama State Fire Marshals say winter is the busiest month for house fires.
They partnered with the In Touch Foundation as well as the Alabama Fire College to make sure everyone has working fire alarms. News 3 Shakira Speaks joining us live in the newsroom with more tonight.
Yeah, Phil, Teresa, Vaquetta Whitaker says she wishes somebody would have checked her grandmother's smoke alarms before her house caught on fire.
And we were going to my grandmother's house and we smelled like something smelled like barbecue, but it turned out that we seen smoke coming out the attic, and so it turned out to be an attic fire. But when they opened it, was a lot fiercer than what we thought it was.
But Whitaker says their fire alarm didn't alert them of a fire.
We didn't hear no fire alarms or nothing, no smoke. You only could see it outside.
Alabama State Fire Marshal Scott Pilgreen says that's the exact reason Alabama State's Fire Marshal's Office partnered with the fire service to identify those who were in need of having fire alarms either installed or checked.
To give them at least a minimal level of protection, by the use of these smoke alarms.
According to the National Fire Protection Association, 3 of every 5 home fire deaths resulted from fires in homes with no smoke alarms or no working smoke alarms. In 1 of every 5 of the home fire deaths, smoke alarms were present but did not sound.
It didn't go off. No, it was after, because I checked batteries and stuff, so it was.
That just tells you how great the need is.
Pilgreen says since they began the initiative a year ago, they've helped thousands of people in the state.
And is roughly in the 30,000 area as far as the number of smoke alarms that have been distributed around the state. Right now we've touched 51 counties of the state's 67 with this smoke alarm effort.
Whitaker says everyone should make sure they check their fire alarms themselves or get the fire department to help.
I have one here for these 2 bedrooms, and then beside one in the room, the master room. I check them every month and I test them.
Pilgreen says if you're in need of your fire alarm to be either installed or tested, you can call your local fire department and they'll come out and help you out. For now, though, sending things back to you in the studio, live in the newsroom and on your side, I'm News 3 Shakira Speaks.